this is Stellar 1 residential project in Greater Noida West, Sector 1. This is very close to Noida with the new bridge coming up and which is already operational, and it connects to Sector 78 metro station, Aqua line, and soon in a month connected to Blue line. And we are seeing a unit of 3 BHK. It's 1412 square feet. Now we are entering to living room. This is living room having attached balcony. The only of its kind 3 BHK in Noida extension. In 1400 square feet you are getting 3 bedroom, 3 toilet and store. No any other layout in the entire Noida extension has such dimension or 3 toilet with 3 bedroom and store also. Now look at the kitchen, perhaps the best kitchen in 3 BHK layout, that too up to 1400 square feet. You can see the space between both the counters, huge, very spacious, having attached balcony. Can have a better look of kitchen. This is a store room, common toilet or guest toilet, one room, room number 2, attached toilet. Toilet size is very spacious. In all these Stellar Group layout you will find very spacious toilet, bathroom, which is generally ignored by most of the developers. The toilet sizes are always small. Now we are entering to master bedroom. Look at the toilet size. You may have a look on sizes of rooms, living, dining, kitchen in layout. Once again I would say the finest layout of 3 BHK in 1400 square feet for the same dimension, 3 bedroom, 3 toilet, you will have to go to above 1500 square feet. And as far as the sizes of respective rooms and everything is concerned, please refer to layout, you will find it better. Stellar is the most ethical and promising developer of Noida. Delivered a number of residential projects, more than 10, many commercial projects. Delivery time is bang on time, not even one day late in any of the projects. Extremely trusted for timely delivery. So kindly go through this video and let's have a weekend schedule to visit this flat. Our actual flat is almost ready. We are handing over phase 1, 560 units in more than 5 acres in this Diwali. However, the RERA date is March 2020. With our track record, we would deliver it much before. Thank you very much.